Is that fun? This is a train set I found at a garage sale today. Cleaned it up, it's good as new. You like that, Ellie? You press a button? Oh! I think the train's off the tracks.